everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Today, I'm going to explain about database views, okay, and how to use database views in reports, okay. So our agenda is how to create a database views. Okay, inside the database views, there are a lot of things like how to use left join. What is left join? How to use left join? Okay, how to add a required fields only. For example, if you join two tables or something like that. Okay, we need only few fields, not all the fields from the two tables. Okay, how to rename the label. For example, if two tables having same field, okay, same field name, in the report it shows the same name. Okay, so then how we have to rename one field to other field. Okay, I mean other name. Okay, how to add a function field. Okay, in the database views, how we can add a new field. And okay, how to use a complex queries. Okay, for example, in the where class, if you are using some complex queries, how we can use it. Okay, so all these things we will see. Okay, okay, we'll log into your instance. Okay, so what is database view? Okay, a database view is a virtual table. Okay, and it is not a custom table also. Okay, and it is used only for the reports. Okay, so a database views is nothing but if you want data combined from two tables, okay, then we will create some database views. For example, in the left navigation panel, type database views. Okay, so if you type database views and hit it, you get some out of the box database views here. Okay, you can see here. For example, let me open incident SLA. Okay, incident SLA. So here what we are doing is we have SLAs for incident. Okay, so I need to see incident and incident task SLAs both together in one table. Okay, but this is not a custom table, and but this is not an a new table which we can edit it. This is only we can use to see the data, not to modify. Okay, only read-only access we will have. Okay, so that is how like incident and SLA. If you click on try it, so I will get all the number, incident number, category, and SLA definition. What is the definition? What is the breach percentage? So all these things you can see in the incident SLS report. So now we will create like, for example, what are I need to see the incidents. Okay, which incident is tagged to the problem. For example, uh, For example, if I open a problem, if I open a problem, all problems, let me add a parent field. So the parent incidents are, there is no parent here. Okay, what is the parent or something, or what is the related incidents or anything we don't have. Okay, how many related incidents are associated with this problem, if one, and what are those. So it's like you need to group by, and you need to do, you can pull the report from here also. There is no required to create a database view, but for example, I'm showing you. Okay, let me show match on the parent field. Okay, so there are 24. Okay, I mean filter out. There are 24 problems, but there is no problem associated with any incident. Okay, so let associate some problem with some incidents. Okay, INC, okay, 01, INC 02, INC 03. So in my database view, I need the incident, which is a problem and incident numbers, which is problem and incident. Okay, okay. So that way I need a report. You can pull from here also as an Excel, but this is a simple example which I'm showing you how we can do it. Okay, the problem, but here in this Excel, you need to refer. Okay, for example, I need if I need the incident data, I need to configure and I need to do configure layout and I need to add all the incident parent incident fields and then export. Okay, for example, the users don't want to do all these things. Okay, they want the report directly. Okay, they want to select this one and they can directly download it, the report Excel. Okay, for it, let's see how we can create a database view. So if I create a new, okay, and new INC problems, incidents and problems. Okay, UINC, it's automatically taken as a UINC problems. Okay, so I will label as INC props. Okay, and something is plural. Okay, IMC props. Save it. Save it. And this is a simple example, but you can try with your own. Okay, well, that depends upon your requirement. Okay, so under the view tables, we can add it. Okay, we can add it view table. Which one? First one is IMC table incident. Incident prefix in should enter in small letters only. Okay, and the order is 100. Okay, let it be. Okay, and where class submit it. Okay, variable prefix is a reserved word. Okay, so inc add it inc. Okay, so that is an reserved word, so that's the reason it is not taking. So now go to type another table called problem. Okay, PRP problem. Okay, so and submit it. So two tables we have taken. Okay, so if you try it, there is no data here. Okay, there is no data. So what we need to do is we need to join these two tables. How we can join? Okay, in the problem, there is a parent field associated with this incident. So what you need to do is, okay, in the problem record, okay, PRB. So you are calling a problem table. You need to use a variable prefix only. PRB. Okay. So what is the field name is parent. Okay. A parent is equal to match is INC incident sysID. Sys underscore ID. You need to map like this and save it. Now try it. So you got all the three problems, right? Three records we have and three problems record we got it. So you see here, okay, there are all the fields available. Okay, so if you want only few fields, you can add it here. Okay, for example, I will remove all these fields. Okay, I will remove all these fields. And what I will do is I will get the number field of incident and problem both. Okay, and I want a short description of both the incident and the problem. Short description. We have only short description for incident. Okay, not for problem. Okay, in the problem we don't have short description. Okay, now state, incident and problem state. Okay, so this is how we will get it. Okay, but if user, okay, this is how, and if we want to pull the report, okay, so it is available only from the reports only. Okay, database views can use only in the reports. Report, go to the reports, report. Okay, view or run or create new or anything. Okay, from here I will create new, and then report name is inc prb. Okay, something. Source type is table, and you need to enter the table name. Table name is as, if you go to here, this is the table name. You incident problems is the table name. Okay, copy this one and paste here. So you got the table name. So when you run it, so you will get them all these three fields only. Okay, because we have added here in the personalized list. So when we configure it, it shows only those fields. Okay, so you can add more fields also. For example, if user entering this one, okay, and he confuses with all these fields, okay, he confuses with all these fields. So we need to show what is required for them. Okay, we need to show what is required for them. So how we can show only required fields? Okay, if you go back here, open the database view again, and in the incident, you need to show only incident number, short description. Okay, incident number and short description. So here below the view fields, there are no fields. So that's the reason it is showing all the fields. Okay, so if I show only, enter the only fields which are required. Okay, for example, number. I need only a number to show. Okay, submit it. Okay, one number field and short description field. Short description field. Okay, so these two fields I need. Okay, we need. And in the problem, if you go back, go back, go back, go back, go to the database view. So, okay, we added fields for the incident. Now we'll add for the problem. Okay, for the problem, the same. You click number, number, and submit it. I need only number. Okay, now go back, go back, go back, go to the database view. Now try it. So there is a error. There will be error we are getting. Because why? Because in the where clause we use parent. Okay, problem parent. Okay, field. But if I open in the new tab, we have only number. So you need to include the fields which are in where clause also. Okay, that is mandatory. Parent field you need to add it. Okay, and submit it. Submit it. Okay, now go on, try now. So you got it now. Okay. So when I'm creating a report, same thing, run it and choose columns. No, let me reload it. Reload it. Okay. The table name is u underscore inc problems or something. Okay, so enter it. Okay, and run it. Okay, something you put some name. Okay, text. And in the configure, if I select choose, okay, I can see only okay incident, problem, domain path. Okay, parent. This side is task type, short description, number. Okay, only those things. Nothing at all. Nothing. No other fields I can see. Okay, so so here. Okay, this is good. Okay. The number. Okay. By seeing the PRB and INC, I can guess this is incident numbers and this is the problem numbers. What if I select state? Okay. What if I select the state? Okay. What if I select any other field which have same name? Okay. So to understand for the users, I need to rename it. Okay, this is incident number or this is problem number. Or if I rename one field to incident number and a problem number or problem number, then users can understand easily. Okay, so to rename it, I no need to go to problem. Okay, no need to go to problem. Go to problem record. Okay, open a problem record and rename from here. Okay, if you rename from here this dictionary, what will happen? It will affect all the problems. Whenever you are creating a problem, it will show a problem number or something like that. So it should not happen like that. Okay, it should change only in the database views, not in the incident or problem table directly. Okay, so how we can change directly in the database views? So for that, what you need to do is go to language, language file. Okay, go to language file. Okay, create new. Select the table called our database view table. U underscore inc props. Okay, what is the label you need to put? Okay, so problem number. Okay, same plural also problem number. What is the element? So we want to change a problem number field to problem number. Okay, so what is the prefix we are using in this view, in this database view for the problem? PRB is the prefix. So what you will do is element is PRB underscore number. Okay, for this you are renaming to problem number. Okay, and submit it. And submit it. Now here go and refresh it. Refresh and try it. So you got the problem number. So from number to problem number. If I go here and refresh the problem record, it will not change. It will not change. It will still shows number. So it will reflect only in the database views. In the report also it will reflect, run it. So problem number. Okay, problem number, you got it. The same way, what all the fields you want to rename, so you can rename it. You can rename it. Okay, so that's how you can rename a label for the database view. Okay, so what I want an another field here. Okay, uh, I I want an another field here, which I need a problem and incident short description together. Okay, I want to create a new field here. Okay, but I don't have any other field. Okay, I want like a problem. Like I need something which it should show like problem hyphen and incident short description. It's like this. For example, okay, I'm just saying for example, okay, I want this one this way, and then separate field I need. So what I need to do is go to the dictionaries, go to dictionary, okay, open the dictionary and create a new field, okay, select the table called u underscore inc problems, okay, select type is string or something like that. P problem short descriptions, okay, something or 200 or something. Our we need to define as a function field, okay, function field. Then you will get a function definition, okay. So this how you need to do it, okay. So I have copied some code, okay. So I want to concat the problem, okay. For example, let me remove this one, okay. Problem, okay. Problem prefix, which one you need, okay. Number, number, okay, comma and hyphen and okay, comma and space hyphen in double inverted quotes, comma, and then I will inc dot short short, not inc underscore short underscore description, okay. So this is my glide function, okay, concat, okay. What all the functions you have, we can define it and submit it and submit it, okay. Incident problem u underscore for name 2, maybe we have a duplicate entry, but let's rename to uh, okay, problem underscore short 2 or something or 1 or something, okay, or something, and save it. God has been deleted or you no longer access or something like that, okay. Let's see it is created or not, okay. So yes, it is okay. So you underscore incident problem short is created and it is not in function field, it's gray out, okay. So let's see delete, oh, we'll delete it, okay. P underscore sh4 is short, okay. We will delete this column, okay. And what we will do is we'll see if there is any other fields are created or not. No, okay. Now what will go is like again we will create a same u underscore ins prob, okay. And the type is a string, field, and p short, okay. We deleted the field so that it's 200 max 200, okay. And this is a function defined and paste it here, and let's see, we'll delete it, and brb underscore number comma quotation space quotation, okay, something like the comma, and inc underscore short underscore that's CR description, okay. So let's submit it. Let's see if it creates or not. Yeah, it is created. So now if you go to this one, okay, okay, and now try it, and you will find p short as a new field here, okay. So you see the problem and this one, the short description, and it is still available in columns also. So be short. Okay, so run it in the reports also, it will be available. Okay, so that's good. That's all about database view, but there is one thing we need to learn about: a left join. What is a left join? Okay, what is left join? How we can, for suppose, okay, so you see here the problem list. Okay, let's go back. So you have a parent is incident, okay, and a problem records. Okay, so I need to display all the problem records, whether it is having the incident list or not, or incidents assigned to it or not. So that means, so for now it is showing only 3 records. Okay, that means we need to enable a left join on the problem wherever you have, for example, left join. Okay, bring into the list view. Okay, so left join means the left table, it will show all the records. From the left table, it will show all the records. For example, if I select left join is true, so how system will know which table is left? So which is having the lowest order is the left. Okay, for example, if I put a problem is 50, okay, then problem record is a left. Okay, then if I try it, it will not show. Okay, it will not show. Not show because it's related to problem underscore parent is equal to incident society the relation. Okay, that's why it will show only the incidents. For example, if I enter 20 as an incident, so then I see all the numbers incident. Okay, and a problem. Okay, so if you see here a problem records. Okay, so because the relation we enter here is that way. Okay, problem underscore parent is equal to incident society. We are mapping from the incident society, so the left join will only enable for incident. Okay, and for example, if I did false, okay, and I did true here, okay, so then try it. So then also it will not work. Okay, then it will not work. Okay, for example, if I try to switch to 10 and then try it, then also it will not work. Okay, so the left join. Okay, so you should use left join where the where clause is mentioned. Okay, where the class is mentioned, you should not check under this one. Okay, the left join should use only where class is mentioned. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's about a left join. Okay, how do we use complex queries? Okay, what is complex? This is a simple query. The complex queries is like, for example, I want to show. Let's report run. Okay, I want to show only the incident 02, not all. Okay, so how I will write the query is query. Here I will write a complex query and inc incident number number number. Okay, equal to which number? Which number incident 02? Okay, I want to show only this way. Okay, and save it and try it. Incident 2, a problem. Okay, so it will apply. Okay, it shows only this incident 02, a problem number, and not all the records it will show. Okay, incident 1 we have a problem number, incident 3 we have a problem number, but it will not show. Because of why it will not show? Because why we are using only left join. So that's the reason it will. If I did false, and try it, so then I can see only the problem 2, incident 2. Okay, so that's about the complex queries. Okay, so there are limitations here. Okay, so um, you cannot use these tables for performance analysis or anything or something like that. Okay, you have to use only on the reports, and you can there is a property which it will show maximum to 10,000 records, but you can limit that record in the properties. Okay, in the properties, and you can apply the ACLs on the tables so that it will show only those records also. Okay, so proper ACLs, proper ACLs. Okay, so this is not a custom table. Okay, so there is no license impacted. Okay, yeah. So that's it. That's about a database views. Okay, so yeah, you can practice more, and you will get it easily. Okay, so I hope you like the class. Okay, yeah, thank you.
Please do subscribe to get alerts for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy and learn ServiceNow. Thank you very much for your time.